class 8, exercise 3.3. Today I am just going to teach you question number 5. So let's see. Here telling the measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Okay. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. Means here telling, suppose that this is a parallelogram. ये एक parallelogram, ठीक है? And here telling measure of two adjacent angles. Suppose that these and these are two adjacent angles. इन दोनों की जो measures है वो ratio में है 3:2. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. तो each angles की measure हमें बतानी है, ठीक है? These angles be 3x and these be 2x. Okay? Now let's start. Okay? Listen with me. Just look here. Let the measure of two adjacent angles be 3x and 2x. Let the measure of two adjacent angles B, what will be 3x and 2x. क्योंकि 3:2 ratio है, that's why 3x and 2x. You know I told you that the measure of two adjacent angle is supplementary, means 180 degree. Okay, so therefore 3x means these two angles A, B, C, D. These two angles are adjacent. So adjacent angles are supplementary. Is equal to 180 degree. Why? Adjacent angle. क्योंकि क्या है ये? Adjacent angles है. Now look here. 3x plus 2x 5x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree by 5. Okay? It will go with the table of 5. 5 3s are 15. And now what's left? You know, 5 3s are 15. 3 5 6 are 30. 36 degree. X is equal to 36 degree. Therefore, 3x is equal to 3 into 36. Which is 9, 108 degree. Okay? 2x is equal to 2 into 36 degree. 6 to 12, 2 carry 1, 3 to 6, 1, 7. 72 degree. Means they are two adjacent angles. Then he asks you find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. Okay? Therefore, if it is 3x, it will be also 3x. If it is 2x, it will also be 2x. Okay? Therefore, measure of each of the parallelograms, which each of the angles of parallelogram is 108 degree and 72 degree. Measure of, suppose this is angle. Measure of angle A and angle C. Opposite है? And angle C is equal to what? This is 108 degree. Getting up? And measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle C. So write down here equal. Angle A is equal to what? 108 degree because this is 3x. Okay? And angle A is equal to angle C. That is also equal to 108 degree. And measure of angle B, which is 2x, जो कि 2x है. Measure of angle B is equal to angle B. And this measure of angle B is 2x and the value of 2x is 22 degree. This is the answer of the question number 5. Now let's come to question number 6 here. Here telling two adjacent angles of parallelogram have equal measures. Okay? Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. Means parallelogram, suppose that this is parallelogram. Okay? A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D. Okay? Here telling the adjacent angles. Suppose that angle A and D, these are adjacent angles. Measure of adjacent angles is equal. Okay? Equal है. Suppose हम इसे x suppose कर लेते हैं और इसे भी x कर लेते हैं. Because they are equal. दोनों adjacent angles के जो measure है वो equal है. हम दोनों के x suppose कर लेते हैं. Okay? Then find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. Then what will be the measure of each angles of the parallelogram? इन सभी angles की measure कितनी होगी? सभी के नहीं means each. प्रत्येक की. तो suppose that solution write down here. Let the measure of each adjacent angles be x. Okay? हर adjacent angle के हम measure को x suppose करते हैं. Okay? Let the measure of each adjacent angles bx. x suppose कर लेते हैं. Then you know. Okay. Therefore, measure of which adjustment angle means sum of the measure of adjustment angles are supplementary. Two adjustment angles are supplementary. Means two bar means adjustment angles A and B. Okay. Therefore, angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Okay. We have taken AXX. Okay. दोनों के पहले हमने AXX लिया तो 180 degree. What will be 2x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 180 degree divided by 2. It means 90 degree. And x we have taken measure of each adjacent angles. Therefore, the measure of each adjacent angle, the measure of each adjacent angle will be what? Is क्या होगी? Each adjacent angle की measure कितनी होगी? That is 90 degree. Just you have seen. हमने इसे suppose किया था x की value कितनी है? 90 degree. So therefore the measure of each adjacent angle is 90 degree. This is the answer of the required question. That is question number 6.